But the one talking point has been Mumbai. 14 lives lost, 75 people with serious injuries because a billboard crashed on them. 21 hours at least, and it's now, remember, constantly as the days progress. The huge billboard that had collapsed in Mumbai's Ghatkopar area. This was on Monday. Gusty winds, unseasonal rainfall, search and rescue operation, we are told, has been in parts still on. BMC has declared that this was 100 feet long billboard, that it was illegal. Such a huge billboard is now being branded illegal, which was right in the center of the city. A notice has been issued to the agency that put the hoarding in the first place. Bhawan Bhavesh Bide, who's the owner of the firm, has been absconding and the charges are against him. BMC has said they will remove the other 3 illegal hoardings next to the big hoarding that has collapsed. A real estate firm, Ajmera Group, also has reacted to an old post because the advertisement on this hoarding was about them and it's being widely shared now.
BMC has finally woke up after this particular incident, and now they have started to pull down all the illegal hoardings in Mumbai. And just beside this particular hoarding, there are 3 more such huge hoardings which are now being pulled down by the BMC officials. Here in the visuals, you can clearly see that through these ropes and lot of labors, this huge hoarding is being pulled down. In just one line, there are 3 more such huge hoardings, and those will be pulled down by the BMC official. And this is going to be a very difficult operation. This entire huge hoarding will be pulled down by the officials, which is going to be a task for them. With camera person Sahil Chauhan, this is Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai for India Today.
ही दुर्घटना झाल्यानंतर जे आदेश महापालिकेला देण्यात आलेले आहेत त्याप्रमाणे महापालिकेने अशा ज्या होर्डिंग्सना महापालिकेची परवानगी म्हणजे परवाना घेण्यात आलेला नाही अशा सर्व होर्डिंगवरती कार्यवाही करण्याचा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी देखील त्या पद्धतीचे आदेश दिलेले आहेत आणि ती कारवाई आज आमची सुरू होती आहे.